Karl Weierstrass is a 19th century mathematician. He discovered an example of a real-valued function that is continuous everywhere, but differentiable nowhere. This function is called Weierstrass function. It is an example of a fractal curve. Now define the new cosine and sine. I decided to call these Weierstrass cosine, Weierstrass sine. Instead of the conventional curve drawn with cosine and sine, I will draw an attractive curve with new cosine and sine. Circle. New circle. Asteroid. New asteroid. Cardioid. New cardioid. Cycloid. New cycloid. Lissajous curve. New Lissajous curve. Rose. New rose. This is my original curve. The Weierstrass function cannot be differentiated anywhere, so I can't draw a tangent. Can it be called a curve? I want to find more interesting shapes on my computer. See you next time.